Hello there. So you want to know how you can order from Amazon? This is going to be the only beginner's guide you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First of all, open Google or any browser that you prefer and simply search for Amazon just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on this continue shopping button. There you go. You're going to be on this page right over here. Go ahead and make sure that you are logged in into your account. All you need to do is just click on this button and then just sign in into your account right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead back into Amazon homepage, and this is where you can see a lot of categories. As you can see, there's shop fashion for less, jeans under 50, tops under 25, dresses under 30, shoes under 50, get your game on, shop for home essentials. There are a lot of things that you can simply browse, or the best thing that I like to do is just go ahead into the categories. So for example, you want to buy some kind of girls fashion or even makeup, so you can just click on beauty and personal care and just go ahead and search. Over here you can search for makeup. So for example, if you want makeup kits, there you go, it's going to show you all the options that's available. And now in order for you to go ahead and order, all you need to do is just click on the button or just click on the options that you like, and simply go ahead and let me just change the location real quick. Now all you need to do is just click on buy now, and once you do that, it's gonna go ahead and ask you for your credit card info. Simply go ahead and enter that, and then you are set to go. It'll be delivered into your shipping address that it's gonna ask you, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.